Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today we're taking a closer look at one of the most anticipated compact family movers of the year, the 2026 Suzuki UrbanCruise Mini MPV. Suzuki has taken the idea of a small, city-friendly people carrier and pushed it into a whole new generation of practicality, comfort, and smart engineering. So let's dive right into what makes this Mini MPV such a standout. Starting with the exterior, the 2026 UrbanCruise comes with a fresh, confident design that blends compact proportions with a premium look. The bold front fascia features Suzuki's new multi-level grille, sharp LED headlights, and a sculpted bumper that gives it a more dynamic stance than its predecessors. The sliding doors are fully electric, offering effortless access even in tight parking spaces, one of the biggest advantages of this vehicle in crowded urban environments. Moving into the interior, Suzuki focused heavily on space optimization and comfort. Despite its compact footprint, the cabin feels open, bright, and surprisingly roomy. The premium two-tone seats provide solid support, and the second row offers generous legroom for a mini MPV. The sliding door layout makes entering and exiting extremely easy, especially for kids or elderly passengers. Under the hood, the 2026 UrbanCruise is powered by Suzuki's next-gen fuel-efficient small-displacement engine, paired with either a smooth CVT or an optional mild hybrid system depending on the market. The setup is tuned for city driving, responsive acceleration, excellent maneuverability, and low emissions. The lightweight platform improves both handling and efficiency, making it a practical companion for congested urban roads. When it comes to price, Suzuki aims to keep the UrbanCruise competitive and accessible for families. While exact pricing varies by region, it's positioned in the affordable compact MPV segment, offering strong features and practicality for the cost. With the available hybrid option, long-term running expenses stay impressively low, adding more value to the ownership experience. In terms of safety, the 2026 UrbanCruise comes equipped with Suzuki's latest Smart Shield safety suite. That includes adaptive cruise control, lane departure alert, emergency braking assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system. Combined with a rigid body structure and well-designed crumple